This video is intended to help parents and carers understand the Key Stage 3 reports and suggest ways in which you can discuss them with your child to help them improve. The key feature of the reports is the banding of test scores in each subject. Each band represents 10% of test scores, with Band 1 being the top 10% of test scores in the year group, and Band 10 being the lowest 10% of test scores in the year group. On the school reports, the bands are shown like this, from 10, which is the lowest 10% of test scores, to 1, which is the highest 10% of test scores. The further to the right, the higher the test score that your child has achieved. In the case of English, this example shows that the child has achieved a high test score in the year group, placing them in Band 3 for English. The dark blue block shows the test score for that subject by indicating which band in the year group the child attained. This is the full example showing the complete range of test scores. The blue blocks indicate the child's position in the year group for that subject. They do not represent the raw test score, but instead show how the child's test score compares with others in the same year group. In this example, the student has done well compared to others in the year group across a wide range of subjects, because many of the blue blocks are towards the right. Different raw test scores can result in different bands for different subjects depending on how others did. For example, in this case, history and French have similar test scores but different bands, because the score in French was relatively higher in the year group compared with the other students. We can also note that this student is performing less well in maths compared to their other subjects, as the blue block for maths is at the lower end. By looking across the test scores, across a whole range of different subjects, you get a picture of your child's performance at Torquay Academy. Effort grades are given for each subject, including those subjects that do not set tests. An effort grade of 3 or 4 represents a concern, while 1 or 2 represents a good approach to learning. Mindset is an indication of a student's positive approach to a subject and their willingness to keep going when faced with difficulties. In this example, the student has good effort grades for all subjects except for maths, which was the subject with the most concerning test score in our example. It is important to discuss any grade 3 or grade 4 effort scores with your child, as well as recognizing their good effort grades. The full report is laid out like this, with test scores, the band indicating the child's position in the year group, and effort scores shown side by side. These are some questions that you may wish to discuss with your child as you look at their report together. If you have any questions about the reports in general or about specific subject scores, then please do contact us at Torquay Academy.